Okay, here's where we're at. These are little angle brackets here. Pretty heavy. The problem is the original frame is only 1/8 of an inch thick, and this is 1/4, right? So, where is it? 3/16. Anyway, I think it's 3/16. So, the original lower frame should have really been this thickness here. So yeah, little cracks going down to about there on both sides. Over here, actually, what was happening before this started was this job box here was starting to separate from the frame. Again, probably side to side twisting. So I welded those up a few years ago and they haven't moved. And that was really just tacking, just like blobbing right in that gap. So after I tack this on here, 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 and so on, I gotta clean that side a bit more. Yeah, and then I'll just redo there a little bit. And I think that's probably gonna be good, so. And it was similar on the other side here, sort of the angle bracket. So yeah, this fill here is going to hold this whole piece, lower frame. It's going to suck it right up to this upper frame here. And this is just like a little dummy piece here. Doesn't really hold anything. So yeah, that should be good. All right, let's see if I can remember how to do this. It wants to be 10 to 12 liters per minute, so that little steel ball is going to float in that zone. My biggest worry is that this tank's been sitting for years and you just think, oh, your argon's going to be gone. So let's see here. Oh yeah, that's what I like to see. 1700. Okay, so there's definitely some pressure in there. That's awesome. Okay, we got argon, we got wire. Gonna do a little nozzle dip, and I think that might do it. Okay, so the tips were 0.035, so I got 0.040. I keep having it jam up on me here. I know that's not right. It's gonna waggle a bit. The welds are gonna be messy, but you know me. I don't give a shit kind of welder. So yeah, stuffed some nozzle dip in the back and in the back of the tip, so it should hopefully keep it a bit better lubricated. We're getting pretty close here. We got this side looking pretty good for the kind of welds we're looking for here. Lots of beef, redid that, redid this. Oh yeah, we're looking pretty fucking all right there. All right, so I might just, if I can get the right angle, I'd like to do just a couple tacks there to keep it from torquing that way. And this side's coming along pretty good. We got there. Okay, let's finish this up. Okay, that was a roaring success. Metal cutting saw was good. I managed to cut that angle iron, or the angle aluminum real quick. I forgot to clean up this area here. Anyway, I blasted the hell out of it. I don't care. Encase all the dirt in there. Yeah, I redid the welds where they were cracking. We got it bracketed. Got it kind of rough tacked on the inside there. Now, I mean, what happens is it's going to transfer that flex that's happening. It's probably going to transfer the crack to somewhere else, but you know, that's just the way things go. You know, it might go there next, and then I'll put a piece in there. But you never know. That might do it. The big thing is all the weight here is getting funneled to the point, so it's kind of, there's always going to be a weak spot where the pressure's kind of went up. Anyway, it's better. It's fixed. I'll keep an eye on it, and we'll report back. Okay, time to clean up this mess here. Okay, I've been looking for a good rubber material for sometimes, you know, a face mask or a head thing or whatever. You need a bit of elastic that's sewable, because I could like to sew things. So these are injection. These are from hospital grade. That's why it's got the biohazard on it, or maybe not. But yeah, I mean, this would be an expensive thing to buy. So just by looking at it and thinking about it for a second, I realized I've been looking for something like this for months. Because, like I say, sometimes you need to sew a bit of elastic onto something, your pants, a headband, or whatever. And now I have two good things. I'll put these away safely, and these are definitely a long-term keep. So yeah, it pays to try not to rush through your sort, because sometimes, often, something you're looking for will just show up right in front of you, and if you just get rid of it too quickly, then so this is probably brass here, or bronze, let's see, or maybe it's, you end up missing out on getting stuff you need without having to. No, silver inside, so it's zinc. All right, good enough. On to the next. Okay. Furniture and cabinets. Flammable, so this is going to be a alkyd water-based. Oh, water-based alkyd emulsion. I don't know what that means. Alright, come in here. What? Speak of the man himself, rolling into my driveway right now. That's good. A good friend like Cruiser knows his job is to show up with an empty truck, and then my job is to morning. I'm just letting YouTube know that a good friend knows their job. Their job is to show up with an empty truck and then leave with a full one. Look at this disaster. How can a man live like this, Cruiser?
Well, at least I was able to park.
Yeah, I got some parking, exactly. Hopefully you don't have any stuff for me. I know you. Oh, I know you do. I know you do, because you're a bad man. Oh, I'll take those.
It's the winter project.
Oh, yeah. I'm going to hide these here for now. All right, you better take more than you bring, or you're going to be banned from your Cruiser. Oh, thank you, sir. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, these are heavy. Holy crap. So, how you doing? You look like you're doing all right these days. All right, good. Well,
for some reason,
oh, yeah. Well, all right. So, about what Cruiser does is, here's the thing. There's nice things that I get, and I like, not necessarily that I'm going to get paid for them, I like that people have to pay money for them, because people sometimes, they get nice things and they get it for free and they just end up in the trash and they don't look after it. And it's like, look, Cruiser hits them with the price that they need to pay. They pay it, and then they know that this thing is worth something and it has value. And, you know, that's what you bring to the table. And then nice things get saved. So anyway, that's my theory. That makes sense, right? That's how you think about it.
every day.
Exactly. We're saving history every day. Anyway, that's my theory about it. The great unveiling here. I got Cruiser here. Look at this beauty. I guess I looked it up. They're called sheaves. They do still sell them, and they do still sell them in brass. Tell me, what do you know about this kind of thing here?
Well, like I say, typically the new ones will all be aluminum.
Or are they more aluminum? Because I managed to Google some brass ones, so there clearly is still a market for that kind of a thing.
Well, yeah, worst case you can scrap it.
I know.
Worth giving it a try. Somebody that's old.
It's yeah. Well, I like Lyle. I don't know if you caught the whole deal. He was from Westwold, Falkland. And a lot of stuff he's like, oh, I built this for my dad or whatever. So I'm sure his dad was an old farmer from Westwold, Falkland. And he still had one of his signs there from farming or agriculture. So they were, 19th century guys and setting up, right?
Yeah,
so
see, that's probably a marine one there.
I guess that, why else would you make it out of brass, right? The nut is even
all brass.
Yeah. So anyway, I think I'll try to sell it. It'd be such a shame to scrap it, right?
Yeah, give it a try.
Yeah, give it a try anyway. So maybe I'll clean it up a little, right? I mean, if I cleaned it all up, then someone wants it.
Somebody will like it.
Yeah.
4-piece or something.
Yeah. I mean, but you need all kinds of tools then. Okay, well, let me give you this for start, okay? I don't know, let's try to maybe pull you together some tools.
That's a pipe knife.
Right, well, that was Cruiser Mac. He's on his way. I loaded him up with a bit of good garbage, a bit of good junk, and he's happy, I'm happy. A very nice man there, Dennis, the Ukrainian. We gave him some tools, and yeah, I'm gonna. Is the green bin handy here? Where should I look for it? Is it in the? Oh, okay, okay, yeah. If you don't mind. Yeah. Oh, there's one head there. Okay, okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I see those two. Okay, good. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, because I want to empty it out right away. All right. All right, just give me 1 second here, and we'll team up together. I just got to do a little prep here as we go. Yeah, well, you know, because it's going to be a full load. So if I do this little bit of prep along the way, then it'll pack down properly. Oh yeah. No, you know, yeah, he was very nice. He's very politically.
I'm not sure.
Exactly. We're not worried about it. Okay, yeah, because that'll just make all the difference here. All right, yeah. If you want to give me a hand with this, is it?
Yep.
Yeah, let's have a look here. Yeah, perfect. Let's go like this maybe, and then this will sit here, and like so. All right. Oh, right there, I hooked it. Okay, perfect. That's it. Awesome. Did we get it? Yeah. Good stuff. Okay, awesome. Yeah, well, don't rush on it. You got to pack that bag up first. And I'll keep going on this. And there we go. Oh, let me get these here. Okay, yeah, we finished up hour 15. Still got a bit of room here. Got a few bags in the truck. John billed them out 400 for this, which is good. It's a good price. I probably would have gone 300, but hour 15 on site. And yeah, looking good. Off to the dump. Okay, so this it's $100 in the dryer. Okay, so this set works. It's a newer one. What's happened is the washer, he said, is draining slowly, which can often be because people don't know that these front loaders have a filter that's a drain filter, and you gotta clean it out. So it might just be a simple fix here. We'll take it home. If it's not that, then it's the motor, the drain motor, which is also not a hard fix, but just a question of time to do something like that. Okay, so this is the trap out the front. So it was clean. So they did check that. So if it's not that, then it's probably the pump. But anyway, I can't be messing around with these. So I'm just gonna get rid of it.